Alright, we've paired the KLB300 up with the Sbe Sidebander 5. This is the one with the 28 watts PEP. We're going into a dummy load. All very nice. The two restored items recently. Alright, we're going to put a tone in. We're on a 500 watt slug on the bird. Have a look at this swing. Alright, we have a look at that. There's the radio. There's the amp. Look at that. So it's all very nice. I meant to say in the last video, I was a bit tired the other night. And no, I hadn't had a few whiskies, but the cabinet, I resprayed in a satin black. It actually looks really, really nice. In the past, I've sprayed them in matte black, and this looks absolutely stunning on the bench. And there's that one segment. I'm not going to do anything about that on it because you have to pull out the whole PLL. And this one's had a lot of solder work, a lot of fix-ups done in the PLL, and it's just very sensitive. You pull that out, you just can't get the chips anymore. But anyway, there's the setup. Nice little, very surprising, the power output. But anyway, all good. One powerhouse and another old school amplifier, and you can see now, see how I've painted the bottom cover, the metallic silver, and then clear coated it. Forgot I had that. It was just a kill rust metallic silver, and it's come up really, really good. You can see the reflection in that. Remember originally I wrapped it in a leather look wrap. It just looked very tacky. So there we go. A nice ensemble. Remember, comment, like and subscribe. Would really like that if you get anything out of these videos. I do this for you guys. It's just to show what you can achieve with a bit of old school product and bringing these things back alive. And in my personal point of view, I think that the audio on these older radios sound far better than the newer radios with all this surface mount technology and other add-on boxes. This one has the speech expander built into it, and it's very, very strong. So it's got the speech processor and the normal SBE strong audio. So there you go, you've had your lot. Cheers, guys.